Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily set your Samsung Smart Monitor auto run game bar after turning on the game mode. So we can either disable or enable this option. At first we need to go to toolbar where all our options are, and here we have to go to the settings. Now we have to go to all settings and scroll down to game. Here we have to scroll down till we see the option called auto run game bar. We can either disable this option or enable this option back again using just a simple click. And to enable this we have to hold the pause and play button. And as you can see, this is this bar. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.